get liposuction, here are 5 things you should know before the procedure. First, what is liposuction? Liposuction removes stubborn fat on the tummy, on the waist, on the lower back, on the thigh, and the arms as well. Second, liposuction is not a weight loss procedure. So liposuction is more of a body contouring and shaping procedure. It will help improve your body figure as well. Thirdly, your skin quality matters. If may significant loose skin ka, liposuction alone will not give you the best result that you wanted. So usually we combine it with other procedures like tummy tuck, or mas less invasive is yung mga argoplasma or skin tightening procedures. And pag may loose skin ka naman on your arms, we should usually do brachioplasty or arm tuck, and pwede rin naman yung argoplasma. And fourth, be prepared for some downtime. Most patients can return to light activities after 1 week. Normal lang ang bruising and swelling after a few weeks. And yung final result, it will continue to improve after the next 3 to 6 months. And fifth, choose the right clinic. Here at our VB Medical Group, our procedures are done by experienced doctors in a DOH accredited facility. So if you're considering liposuction, book a consultation with us right now, and let's see if you're a good candidate for this procedure.